Okay, so good day everyone. Today I will discuss a very important issue in our society, which is the poverty reduction. Poverty reduction refers to a different strategies and programs created to improve the living condition of people who are struggling financially. The main goal is to help them achieve a better and more stable life. Until now, poverty is one of the biggest challenges in many countries, especially here in the Philippines. Marami pa ring families ang nahihirapan to afford basic needs like food, proper housing, education, and healthcare. Because of this, governments and organizations have developed programs such as financial assistance, livelihood support, and social services to help those who in need. So let's talk about how poverty reduction actually works. The main the main focus of these programs is to help people meet their basic needs and gradually improve their quality of life. Kapag na-meet ang basic needs, mas nagiging stable ang buhay ng isang pamilya. There are several common strategies used in poverty reduction. First is job creation. This is very important because having a job provides a stable income. Hindi lang sila umasa sa tulong, they are able to support themselves and their families. Okay, so second is education and and skill training. These programs help people the opportunity to help learn new skills or to improve their qualification. For example, scholarship and vocational training can help someone get a better job in future. Third is social protection program like cash assistance or subsidies. These are very helpful, especially for families who are struggling to survive day after another. And lastly, access to healthcare. When people are healthy, mas kaya nilang magtrabaho and be productive. But if they are always sick, it becomes harder for them to improve their situation. All of these efforts are important not just for individuals, but for also to society as a whole. When poverty is reduced, community becomes more stable, more productive, and even safer. And for me, I believe that poverty reduction programs are effective and necessary, especially when they already when they are properly implemented. They provide immediately help to people or to families who are struggling. For example, financial assistance can help parents send their children to school or to provide enough food for the family. At the same time, these programs also create opportunity for long-term improvement. Kapag nakakapag-aral ang isang bata, mas mataas ang chance niya to get a good job in the future. Because of this, poverty reduction helps break the cycle of poverty, where poverty is passed from one generation to another. It may not be a quick solution, but it is definitely a step into the right direction. Okay, so however, some of people that argue Some people argue that poverty reduction programs can lead to dependency. They say that people might rely for too much on government support and lose motivation to work. But I disagree. With this idea, yes, dependency can happen in some cases, pero hindi ito ang common outcome. Most people actually use the support as temporary help while they are trying to improve their situation. Also, many programs today are designed to encourage responsibility. For example, some require children to attend school or parents to join training program. So instead of promoting laziness, this program actually encourage people to become more independent. And in my opinion, the real issue is not the program itself, but poor implementation or lack of monitoring. Kapag hindi maayos ang system, doon nagkakaroon ng problema. But if properly managed, these programs empower people rather than make them dependent. So in conclusion, poverty reduction plays as very important role in building a better and more equal society. Even though there are challenges, we cannot deny that this program help improve the lives of many people. With proper implementation, they can create real and lasting change. At the end of the day, the goal is not just to provide temporary help, but to give people the opportunity to stand their own and achieve a better future. Thank you for listening.